Hey, let me show you all touch controls of the Nothing Ear 2. So we can actually find them in the Nothing X application. And we've got the same gestures, the same controls for the left and the right earbud. So let's start, for example, from the right one. Let's start from the top. So we've got the double pinch, and with the double pinch we can skip forward or decline incoming call. On the triple pinch, you can skip back. So basically just turn the previous song. On the pinch and the hold, we've got the noise control, so we can change between the transparency mode and the noise cancellation mode. And on the double pinch and the hold, there's like no action, but when you click here, you can find a few of them. Like for example, you can volume up. There we go. And there's also the single pinch, where you can play and pause media or answer and hang up calls. And it works the same for the left and the right earbud. And if you want to reset these presets, click here in the right upper corner. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.